Okay, so you're going to need a toolbox or some sort of box to carry all your supplies and beads in. That's what I use, a toolbox. You can get bead boxes at the bead store, but you can also get toolboxes at hardware stores, sporting goods stores, places like that. And you also have different types of containers. These have unscrewable little containers like this. And little jars with lids, anything with a lid that closes. Used pill bottles. These just come off like that. Really simple. And some of the stuff you buy at the bead shop comes in containers already, so you can reuse these. And I use lots of little Ziploc bags like this. And these are little tiny containers also. Some beads already come in these, but you may have something else stored in them and it's all empty now. These come in bottles like this, the little lid. And these are things that you can use for storage.